Grandpa, the garden looks so pretty today.
Nature always dresses well when no one's watching.
That's poetic. Did you just make that up?
Maybe. Or maybe I borrowed it from a wise old tree.
Trees can talk now?
Only to those who listen closely.
Okay, I'm listening. What's this tree saying?
It says, "Thank you for sitting with me instead of looking at your phone."
Oh no, I left my phone inside.
Good. Now you can hear the birds sing.
That little one on the branch, is that a sparrow?
Yes, and it comes every afternoon at this hour.
Like it's visiting you?
Or maybe I'm visiting it.
That's deep. I like that.
Nature has no clocks, yet it's always on time.
I wish school worked like that.
If only exams bloomed once a year like flowers.
I'd water my books every day.
Then knowledge would grow like sunflowers.
Speaking of flowers, why do you plant so many different kinds?
Each one reminds me of someone I love.
Aww, is that white rose for Grandma?
Yes, her favorite. Always pure, always gentle.
What about the marigolds?
Those are for your mother, bright and full of energy.
And me? Which flower is mine?
The little purple pansies, cheerful, unexpected, and full of surprise.
I like that. What's your flower?
I suppose I'm the old oak tree. Quiet, but still standing.
You're stronger than you look, you know.
So are you. Strength isn't always loud.
Do you ever talk to the plants when I'm not here?
All the time. They're very good listeners.
What do you say to them?
I tell them about my day, my dreams, and sometimes my regrets.
Regrets? You have those?
Everyone does, child. Even the flowers drop petals.
That's kind of sad.
It's just part of growing.
I think the plants like you. They're always blooming near you.
Maybe they enjoy the stories.
Do you think plants have feelings?
I believe they have memory.
Memory?
Yes, they remember kindness and neglect.
That makes me want to be extra gentle with them.
That's the spirit. Respect nature, and it will embrace you.
I wish we had a tree house here.
You build one in your imagination, and I'll climb it with you.
Really? Even at your age?
In imagination, age doesn't exist.
You're the coolest grandpa ever.
And you're the sunshine in my cloudy days.
I'm going to write that in my diary.
And I'll write that you made today brighter.
Look, a butterfly just landed on your shoulder.
That means I'm officially part of the garden.
You already were. You belong here.
So do you. This garden was waiting for you to notice it.
I love it here. It's so peaceful.
Peace doesn't come from silence. It comes from presence.
Can we do this every day?
My bench is your bench always.
Can we grow strawberries next?
Only if you promise to water them daily.
Deal! And I get first bite.
That's fair. I'll take the second one.
What's your favorite season in the garden?
Spring. It teaches us how to begin again.
And what about autumn?
Autumn teaches us how to let go.
I think I'm a spring person.
Then you're full of hope and beginnings.
What if one day you're not here in the garden?
Then I'll be the breeze in the leaves, whispering stories.
That makes me want to cry and smile at the same time.
That's how you know it's true.
I'm going to take care of this garden forever.
That's all I could ever ask.
I think I've learned more sitting here than I did all week at school.
Nature is the oldest teacher.
And you're my favorite student of hers.
Then class is always in session, my dear.
This garden looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale.
And you should see it at sunrise.
Grandma would have loved this pink hibiscus, don't you think?
She used to hum to that flower while watering it.
I think the roses are smiling today.
Maybe they are. They love laughter.
Can I name that squirrel? He visits a lot.
Of course, he's become family now.
I'm calling him Nutsy.
Nutsy is perfect.
Do plants get lonely when we don't talk to them?
Only when we forget they're alive.
I'll never ignore them again. I promise.
That's the gardener's promise.
I wish more people just sat in gardens.
It would make the world softer.
I want to grow a sunflower taller than me.
I'll help you plant it next spring.
Can we paint signs for each flower's name?
Let's do that. One for each bed.
I'll even draw a face on the watering can.
And I'll name him Wateroo.
You know what? Nature is better than Netflix.
And more honest, too.
Let's bring Mom here tomorrow.
Bring her. The garden misses her.
I think I want to become a gardener someday.
Then the world will be greener.
Or a poet who writes in gardens.
A perfect poet with muddy shoes.
Grandpa, can I have your old notebook?
Only if you write me the first poem.
I want to fill it with garden poems.
That notebook is yours now.
Best afternoon ever. Again tomorrow.
Always, my dear.